Your outdoor space does not need to be boring. With our friends and family coming over this summer, I wanted to make sure that they were comfortable outside just as they would be inside. So I added a few key pieces to make this space super comfortable. We already had this pergola on our deck, and it was the perfect space to create a room of itself in the deck. So I knew when picking out furniture, I wanted a sectional that could fit right inside of the pergola, but it needed to hold a good amount of people, be weatherproof, and comfortable. I love that the cushions are more of a neutral beige, which means that I can have fun with colors and pillows and go warm or cool toned. The wood is a beautiful teak, which I absolutely love, and it's going to stand the test of time. I really wanted outdoor curtains because I feel that they give the space a more elevated, high-end look, but figuring out how to install them was a little tricky. The front of the pergola is pretty wide, and the tension rod wouldn't fit to both ends. So I purchased some drop-down hooks that I attached to the top so we could fit the rod right inside. Now that we have curtains on the front, it really finishes the space, and I love how they just billow in the wind. I want to spend as much time out here as possible, and adding lights to the pergola means that we can hang out at night. Keeping them just inside the pergola allows us to feel super cozy and creates a beautiful atmosphere. I filled out the space with palm trees and some different types of flowers. Now, whenever I plant in large containers, I don't want to have to put all that potting soil in one container. It's really heavy and you end up going through so much soil. So save your cans, jars, any plastic containers, and fill them in the bottom of your planter. Not only is this a great way to recycle, but it also allows drainage for your soil. I love that they add a lot of color, really bring life to the space. I added some throw pillows to add some color and texture to the space, and I love that I can swap them in and out to really change up how it looks. For the finishing touches on the space, I added some organic elements like the wood bowl and the moss balls. I also added some lanterns and candles in a few areas of the space because I really feel like it just sets the mood. The gilded vintage bells add a really nice wind chime effect, and these gold candle votives that add a nice shimmer to the space when a candle is inside at night. I am so excited about our outdoor space. I cannot wait to have friends and family over. I know I'm going to enjoy it, and I know that the dogs are already enjoying it.